So here's a great example of what to do when you don't have a credit score with Equifax. So this is actually one of my clients that I am working with right now, and we refreshed their smart credit report, and guess what? Equifax can't be calculated. So what do we have to do in this case? Well, I'm glad that you asked, and I'm going to go over it with you right here in this video. So the first thing that you want to do is get the photo ID, whether that's a state ID, driver's license, passport, whatever ID with a photo. You want to provide 2 forms of proof of address that are dated within the last 60 days. And you also want to send in your social security number, a copy of each of those items, along with a letter. I recommend that you hand write a cover letter letting them know that you would like to unlock your credit file. What happens is when they get information that doesn't match, or you have recently changed your address, or if your address within your credit monitoring is not updated, it could create a conflict. So that way your credit score is not being pulled with Equifax. And if you're also seeing this on Credit Karma, chances are your credit file with Equifax is locked. And this happens quite often with Equifax. Unfortunately, calling them and doing anything over the phone is just simply not going to work, because at this point, they are not able to validate who you are. So they just lock everything as if you don't have any credit. So the first thing that you need to do, like I said, is write that cover letter with simple, please unlock my credit file. You can put, I am not able to obtain my credit reports. This is causing a hardship. And then attach the proof documents, ID, 2 forms of proof of address, social security card, and then you can write out a more detailed letter if you choose to, saying how you are not able to access your credit reports with credit monitoring services, you're not able to see your credit file with Credit Karma, whatever the case may be, and explain to them that you recently moved, or if something has recently happened that may have triggered this, and just let them know that you are this person at this address and you've attached the proof, and to unlock your credit report. If, like I said, if you try to call, if your report is frozen, then you could potentially unfreeze it. But there is a difference between frozen and locked. When it's locked, there's nothing you can do really over the phone or online, and they act like they don't even know how to help you and everything's fine and dandy. Well, it's super frustrating, but this is how you do it, my friends. I hope that that was helpful. And again, if you want to see what it looks like, if you need help with credit repair or your credit repair business credit, anything to do with credit, join the credit community. It is less than a cup of coffee a day, guys, and you're going to have access to all of the previous courses. We meet weekly, and there's so much information in there. I'll leave a link below, but this is what it looks like with smart credit. Like I said, this happens to me all the time, and I've done other videos about this that go more in depth on it, but this is just the quick fix on what to do if Equifax credit score cannot be calculated using smart credit. And here is a credit pro tip for you guys. If you are using smart credit for your credit repair business, and if you are not, I highly recommend that you sign up as an affiliate for smart credit. I will leave a link below in the description for you to sign up as an affiliate for smart credit. It is absolutely free. That way you can provide your affiliate link for smart credit to your clients, okay? But in the meantime, if you are repairing credit, there is actually 2 places that you need to update your smart credit report for your clients. And a lot of people are not aware of this, because when I first started using smart credit, I certainly didn't know everything that was offered under the account. So this is the 3B report, and you're actually going to want to view it in the classic view, so that way you can view the 3 bureau report. And there's 2 reports with smart credit. There are the smart credit report, and then there's the 3B report and scores. You actually have to have the 3B report and scores in order to import that into Credit Repair Cloud. And honestly, all of this credit monitoring, it all comes from like the same source, so there is no difference between, say, IQ or 𝒓𝒆𝒅𝒊𝒕 or whatever monitoring is with Credit Repair Cloud, it's all the same stuff. They're just a different brand, right? They all get their data from the credit bureaus. So if you don't want to deal with your own customer service, because there's two options. You can either start your own credit monitoring company, which I can help you with that, or you can sign up with an affiliate with Smart Credit and you can earn up to $15 per client per month, which is way more than IQ or 𝒓𝒄𝒅𝒊𝒕 or whatever it's called. And you don't have to deal with the customer service. So you can become an affiliate, and that is basically where you are partnered as a white labeled partner with Smart Credit so you can earn more money. And it is totally worth it, guys. I mean, I get my affiliate checks from Smart Credit and they are absolutely something amazing, right? But anyways, sign up with Smart Credit below if you want to be an affiliate with them. And I also recommend a few other affiliate partnerships to sign up for if you're going to be offering your clients anything credit related. So I'll leave those below. Super gems, guys. Don't miss out on that, because one is the credit card broker and the other one is Upsell Nation. And if you've never heard of either one of those, my friends, please sign up, because this can make you a whole lot of money. All you have to do is create content about it and promote it, and you make money in your sleep. So at Smart Credit, you're going to go to the Smart Credit reports right here, and you actually need to refresh this. So every time, look at that. Go client, go. This is actually one of my clients. So, and when you get results like this, what you want to do is you want to document it. So I use XSnip Pro for my Mac here, and it's just a free screenshot capture, and you can just do a little something like this, like, hey, boom, and then download that as results. And something simple, but keep that as your social proof, because people always want to see if you can provide the results, right? But there's two places. Like I said, you want to update it in both, because what happens is if you only update your 3 bureau report and then you go try to re-import it into Credit Repair Cloud, it's not going to fully be updated. For whatever reason, it just doesn't fully update. Number one, go update your 3 bureau report first. Update that bureau first. Once you have your free update, which you get a free update every 30 days, right? For all your clients or for yourself. Then after that, you want to go to the Smart Credit report and update it just like I showed you guys by updating that. And then you can view your Smart Credit report. So both of those reports should now fully be updated and reflect today's date. So I hope that helped, guys. If you do need more help, one-on-one coaching, or if you want to join the credit community, if you want to book a call, there are all of the links below for us to connect more and for you to continue to learn and earn in this credit space. Let's go.